When Heimdall was established back in 2016, we predicted that the power grid was facing unprecedented challenge. And we were convinced that these changes would require new tools. And since then, we've been dedicated to developing these new tools. 99% of high voltage power lines do not even have a sensor, making the power grid one of the most underutilized assets in the world. And that is what we are here to change. Until today, we haven't really had the technology to deploy sensors across the whole grid, but now we do. And our work with Iridium is helping us do that. Now, the limiting factor of a power line is the temperature. Think of this as the speed limit. And without sensors on the line showing this temperature, it's like driving without a speedometer. What Heimdall Power does is provide that speedometer.
We approached Iridium. They made us aware of this 9704 development, which we found extremely exciting because it solves a lot of our challenges. There's a lot of power lines in the world which are not where there is cellular coverage. So Iridium is a very, very important part of us enabling usage of this product worldwide.
And the work that we do with Iridium is going to change the world, because for the first time ever, we will have sensors showing what's going on in every part of the grid, sending that data back for actionable insights to the customer.
We have a design philosophy to make a versatile product, and by versatile we mean that we have this one version which fits all different power lines. So our product is made cost efficient. It's designed from the bottom up to be produced in large volumes. We're mounting it on high voltage power lines. We don't want to disturb the power line, which is a very critical part of our infrastructure. So the 9704 has enabled us to put satellite into this small IoT device, so it's small enough to fit inside. It also consumes much less power than the previous generations, and it has a high bandwidth and sufficient bandwidth for us. Iridium solves the big problem of getting data out from any country around the world where there is not cellular coverage.
At Heimdall, we work hard to set the industry standards and to push the boundaries of what is possible. I am grateful to be working with a group of such wonderful and talented people who are dedicated to spending their lives changing the world for the better.
I want Heimdall to be recognized as the partner who solves the toughest problems for the utility grid companies.
Knowing that our solution actually makes real change for people's life, making power more reliable, safe, affordable, and sustainable, makes it meaningful. It's something that I'm proud to go and tell my son about.